Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 70 and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. So let's get started. So to set the custom watch face on your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and it works both on the Android and iPhone. And basically once the devices are paired together, you will need to download and install the Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with your watch. With this icon, you can find it on the App Store on your iPhone and in the Play Store on your Android. So it works on both devices. And once you install the Connect IQ Store application, you can open it, go through the permissions and stuff like that. And once you open the app and you deal with the stuff like permissions and agreements and stuff like this, you will see the main page of the app. For some reason, for me, it loads for a long time. I think it might be internet issue, but if it won't load soon, I'm gonna try to solve it. Okay, here we have it. So once you open the app, for some reason it says I have no internet, which apparently I should have. Let me try to reconnect to different, or connect to different network. Maybe this one. Okay, let's try now. So let's go back to the app. Okay, this time it works. So once you open the application, you see the homepage, tap on Face It, and here tap on Get Started. It will basically update the Face It watch face, which is the custom watch face. So we need to wait until it's done. And it looks like it's gonna take a while for me, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's... Oh, never mind. So we're back. It is done. And now you will see this plus button once it updates, and you can tap on it, and you have three choices. We have photos, camera, and preset backgrounds. Photos is basically you can take a photo and use it as a watch face. Camera, oh no, my bad, other way around. Camera is the option that opens the camera app. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face. Photos opens the gallery on your phone and you can pick a picture from your phone. And preset backgrounds is basically like a backgrounds created by Garmin and you can pick them up as well. We're gonna use photos, for example. Go to collections, let's say download folder, and here I have some photos. Let's select this one and tap on done. And now we will be able to customize our watch face. You can pick the layout of the clock layout, basically. Let's say I like this one the most. And then you can customize your watch face. And here you can customize it quite a bit because you can add some complications. So if you tap on plus button, you can, for example, add, I don't know, calories. And then you can move them around to the place you want them to be in, which is quite nice. You can move other stuff as well. You can move the clock, you can change the color for this stuff. So there is quite a lot of customization, which is very nice. It's much more than a lot of watches give you. So customize it to your liking, move the stuff around, change the color if you want to, adapt it to your liking. And once you're done, you can tap on done right here. Let's say you added everything you wanted, you have a best setup for yourself, then you can tap on save the name of the watch face, like whatever, and the template will be saved on your phone or on your account. And you have the template right here. As you can see, I have multiple templates because I created the watch face before, so it keeps the template saved unless you remove it, which is also quite nice. Basically, you can move it between different devices. And once you have a template, you can tap on install. And here we have it. The watch face is applied, as you can see. And that's how you apply or create a custom watch face on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.